want to take this time to just kind of give a shout out to 3KINGS Media. My website, if you visited my website, you've seen all the little butterflies and all the little movement. Well, they are the ones who are responsible for that. They've helped me with graphics. They have brought lots of photos, lots of imagery into what I had was a very dull website. So thank you, 3KINGS Media, for the fantastic, professional, and quality work that you guys have done and brought to the table. The video, the videography, all of the work, the logos, all of the information that you see on the website was created and designed by 3KINGS Media. Thanks again, 3KINGS Media, for making my dream come to reality.